how to tenderize octopus. Now here I have baby octopus, so it's going to be simpler. But whether they are baby octopus or big octopus, adult, if you buy fresh, make sure you freeze that baby. Put it in the freezer for 2 or 3 days, because what that does is take care of the internal water of the octopus, make it easier to cook later. Then you put it in the refrigerator and let it thaw for about a day or two, maybe 3 days. Whether you bought it frozen or you froze and then you put it in the refrigerator. Then I put it in water here, as you see here. Then the next step is you're going to boil it. Some people like to put vinegar, lemon, whatever. No, I go simple. Things are expensive. You don't want to throw a nice lemon away and some apple cider vinegar or whatever. So all you need to do is boil some water, okay? Let the water boil a little bit, or get hot, I should say, before you go to the next step. Now that the water is a little bit hot, as you can see the little bubbles at the bottom, in mi caldero, Puerto Rican style caldero, by the way. So what I'm going to do, if you have a big octopus, whether they are big or small, you don't want them to go, the skin to go into a shock because of the change of temperature. So what you do is submerge, leave. Do this 3 times, 6, 7 seconds, right? Maybe 8. Submerge, leave, and let it go. And do the same with the other ones. Grab one. And this is critical for the adult octopus, okay? Do that again. And you do that with all of them, and then you let it cook or boil for about 30 minutes, maybe 40. I will show you how to determine that these babies are done. Say about 33, 35 minutes later. Yeah, soft. They are ready. Turn this off. You're going to get them out here. If you can strain them, that's fine. You just don't want the water. Now, this water you're not going to throw away, because you can use this water to cook some rice or whatever, okay? This water I'm going to put aside, because I call this like stock of some sort, or broth. So you put the water away. Don't throw it away. See how beautiful? And you can refrigerate them and use them the next day, whatever you need, okay? And remember, if I can cook it, so can you.